Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Thursday, November 10th, 4:04 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock market is closed. Closed green, extremely strong like bull. Looking here on the right, this grid is a Dow Jones Industrial Average. Looking at a 1-year duration, each candle's a week. The current candle will be completed tomorrow. Right now, it's all body, strong like bull. Broke above this consolidation and coming into a supply zone where there's sellers before. So we'll see if we're going to test that and close above that between now, the end of the week, or next week. But right now, the momentum's to the upside. And here's the high for the year. Good chance this may get retested before the year end. On the left here, we'll look at the individual stocks in the Dow Jones alphabetical order, the 30 stocks. Yeah, these are the 30 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. So first, Apple, Alpha, Papa Lima. Look at this. Candle is yellow. That means inside candle. Here's the low for the year. So we're above the low for the year. Here, bunch of wicks on the bottom, demand zone buyers. But it's not doing the same performance as the Dow. No, the Dow took out the high of last week. It's trending up. Here, it's not trending up. Lower high. This is not leadership. Alpha Mike Golf November. Amgen. Strong like bull. So look at that. Took out the swing high from 2021. Let's remove that. Also took out this swing high, which was originally the high of this year. Remove that. New high for the year. Strong like bull. This is performing even better than the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Outstanding. New high for the year. That's leadership. Get some. American Express, Alpha X-Ray Papa. Okay, similar to the Dow. It took out the high of last week, coming off the lows of the year, but it's not as good as Amgen. Look at that. There's a high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Remember, American Express are the financials. This is interesting. That's a key demand zone, key supply zone. Look at Boeing. Here's the high for the last year. Here's the high for this year. Here's the low for this year. So nice. It took out the high of last week, took out the swing high. Nice. Running up to possibly this supply zone where sellers are. Yep. Let's go above 175. Big turnaround. Caterpillar, Charlie Alpha Tango. Okay, here's the high for the year. There. Pushing above. Look at this. Nice run up. Huge. And it took out that midpoint. So let's update that. Oops. There we go. And look at this. This was a gap down weeks ago, months ago, and it filled it. That's good. Let's remove it. Fill the gap. So good chance going to completely retest this. Maybe even make a new high for the year. That was nice. Big turnaround too recently. Charlie Romeo Mike. Salesforce retail stinks. Just shy of the low of the year. Look at that inside candle. Bad. That's not leadership. Cisco, Charlie Sierra, Charlie Oscar. Yeah, inside candle for the week. It's also not leadership. You think all these momentum to the upside, new high, took out the high of last week on the Dow, and look at that, these stocks still on the inside candle. They don't know what they want to do. No, because that's a supplier as sellers up there. Charlie, Victor, X-Ray, Chevron, new high for the year. Let's remove that swing high. Also, that was a gap it filled. It filled it there. Still has a gap down here. Strong like bull. So you got the healthcare stocks I showed earlier, and this energy stock. Interesting. So those two are showing leadership. Delta, India, Sierra, Disney, new low for the year. Woof, bad boy. There's a high for the year up here. Look at this. Momentum's down. No way. Dow Chemical also to take out the high last week. Momentum's to the upside. Another financial, Goldman Sachs, that took out that swing high right there. So let's remove it. Again, this was a big supply zone of seller. So that's where it's at right now. Let's see if it closes above it at the end of the week. It also took out that one. So let's just remove it. There we go. There's a high for the year. Home Depot. Well, took out that swing high some time ago. Let's remove that. Big supply zone of sellers here. Look at this big momentum to the upside. There's the low for the year. Big move up. Took out all this consolidation area. Let's label that. That's certainly a consolidation area. Big move up. Interesting. There we go. Good chances for its retesting up there. Hotel Oscar November, Honeywell. Look at that. Took out that swing high too. Let's remove that yellow horizontal line. Here's the high for the year. Big supply zone of sellers up there. Good chance getting up there. Nice, huge move. Took out all these swing highs here. Nice. IBM. Hey, my drawing didn't cue it. There we go. Let's remove that. Update that. To take that out. Yep. Took out that high. Nice. Nice move up. Big solid body so far. Coming up to that here. Supply zone of sellers. And look at that. That was a swing low. Broke it and closed above it. That's bullish. That's good. So IBM and Boeing, big turnarounds are making. Intel, India, November, Tango, Charlie, consolidation. Did break above that high inside candle last week. So maybe that's it. Maybe that's the bottom of the year. If that is, you could pick this up cheap. Less than $30 for Intel. Outstanding. Outstanding. Yeah, again, if you think that's the low of the year, buy one share or sell some put options below 25. Collect some income monthly. Maybe the turnaround. Give a gift to somebody. Buy one stock share. Give a gift. I'll take it. Give me one gift. Buy me one share. Send it to me. Shoot. Not saying it's necessary at the low, but darn cheaper here than the high of the year. Yep. It's not going out of business. It's a demand for its product and services. Let's check out AMD. Alpha, Mike, Delta, and the other one. Yep. Look at that. AMD too. It's more money. And what's the other one? November, Victor, Delta, Alpha. But how do you pronounce that? Hey, look at that. Took out the swing high. Nice turnaround. Yep. Maybe buying some chips. Not the ones that are salted and oily. So which one do we look at here last? Here's Intel, then Johnson & Johnson. Inside candle 2 weeks in a row. Oof, indecision. Doesn't know what it wants to do. JP Morgan, another financial. Pushing higher. Key level 2 supply zone up there. Coca-Cola. Nice. Broke above the inside candle. Now testing that midpoint, that big red candle down. Interesting. Look at that gap. All the way from there. We finally filled it down here too recently. Let's remove that. Big turnaround. McDonald's. Look at that. Oof. New high for the year. Outstanding. Strong like bull. Took out that swing high. Let's remove that. $3M, Mike. It also broke out that high. Merck, Mike, Romeo, X-ray, new high for the year. Outstanding. So we see several of the medical ones new high for the year. Yep, that's leadership. Doing better than the index. And Microsoft finally turning around. Still in acceleration phase near the low of the year. Nike, retail, garbage still. Yeah. So this is a key demand. This is a key zone. Been a supply and demand zone in the past. Yep. Still below that. That's not good. Again, retail, weak. Procter Gamble, strong like bull, big move up off the lows. Again, these V patterns. I showed that on my video I made a few days ago on those past stocks. What were they on? Forgot what the technology stocks. Yeah, interesting. A lot of V patterns, suspicious. Travelers, another financial. Made a higher high. There's a high for the year. And big wicks on the top. I'm concerned of that. And it closed red right now, not leadership. Uniform November Hotel took out the high of the year. That's nice. New high for the year. And right now, inside candle. But again, finally took out those highs. So big consolidation here, big wick on the bottom. Be able to see that push higher. Visa. Yeah. Lower highs. That's not good. Nope. And Verizon. Okay. It's green. It took out the high last week. This is a supply zone of sellers. And it's going up on weak volume. Look at this. Came down a big volume. See the volume increases went down. And it's going up on lower volume. That's suspicious. Let's put old school AT&T up here. AT&T is performing better. Whiskey Bravo Alpha. Nice. Big reversal. Again, maybe run into here where supply zone is. And retail Walmart. Higher high, higher low. Consolidation. Nice. Again, it broke above that consolidation and trending up. Okay, many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.